But surprisingly, I think in most of the states that we worked in, they've all been so open to the idea of mental health, and sometimes surprising that we find it easier to communicate and to get through in rural India versus urban India.
The team was sharing with me in the morning when we came, you were already out in the field.
Yeah.
You were meeting, I believe, two people who've benefited and are now, I think, champions with you and your team. So I believe your foundation has done work in Odisha, Karnataka, we are of course in Madhya Pradesh, in these states. What has been the biggest challenges on the ground? And how do you convince families, stakeholders to become part of this?
I mean, I would say maybe one of the initial challenges that we face is to find the right partners, because we have a model, but we also need the right partners to implement that. So I think finding the right partners is probably one of the biggest challenges. But surprisingly, I think in most of the states that we worked in, they've all been so open to the idea of mental health, and sometimes surprising that we find it easier to communicate and to get through in rural India versus urban India.
Really?
Yes.
Why is that, you think?
Today was a great classic example. Two of our PWMIs who we met, people with mental illness, two of them who we've met are now champions. So you have, you have a lot of them who go to Babas and, think they're possessed, etc., etc. And then they have gone and spoken to them and said, we've gone to this district mental health center and we've gotten help and this is what it could be, etc. So they're now building their own community of spreading awareness, helping each other out. The ASHA workers go and, find these people, guide them, help them with their procuring their medication, in fact, one of them mentioned to me, they even ensure that they take their medication on time. And then we rehabilitate them. So it's literally a whole, in fact, Davangere for us is now a self-sustaining model. We've actually exited Davangere now because they've taken care of themselves.
So the community is on its feet, taking care of its own.
Of course, we'll always be there for whenever they need us. But I mean, the idea is to create a self-sustaining model where we come in, we do our intervention, handhold them. And when we feel like, they've gotten a good hold of it is when we move on and start, helping other people out.